May mga arrow signs naman. So, yung Sea Breeze, dalawa pala yung breakfast dito sa Alona. Yung isa sa Coral Cafe, second floor. Try natin siya tomorrow. For second day pa lang naman namin today. Dito siya, malapit sa Kai Spa. Dito siya sa may beach. Ayan, maganda na yung panahon. Kita niyo ba? Pwede na tayong mag-swimming later at maglakad sa beach. Thank you, Lord. Ayan. Ayan na sila. Ito. Pwede ka magpaluwas. Pork siomai, chicken siomai. Pagka gusto yung noodles, ayan, pwede din. May waffle, pancake, French toast, wala na. Bago magawa pa. Late na kasi kami. 8:30 na. Ito naman yung bread station. May mango sa sila. Bread and butter. Let's check that. Chicken congee. Champorado. Plain rice. Garlic rice. Tapa. Morning. Salad. Naman drinks. May hot milk, hot choco, coffee, cereals, and juices. Ayan. So, wala masyadong tao. Late lang kasi kami.
No?
Oo, okay na yun. Ito na. Nag-refill na silang French toast.
That's right?
Ah, maybe. Chocolate syrup. May stock na ng French toast. Breakfast ng baby ko. May apple yung milk. Yes, baby. What's that? Bye-bye. Morning, baby.
Morning.
或者吃面面，帮大家配。
Later, baby. Yes po, later. Come on.
Yeah.
Let's check the beach.
I thought you were going to swim somewhere else.
Check natin yung tatlong room. Yung tatlong pool ulit. Okay?
The one what I filmed last night.
Yesterday. Yeah.
Last night.
Yes, baby. Wow.
But it's like Boracay.
Mas gusto mo yung sa Boracay? Eh, hindi mo pa natatry yun sa iba eh. Diba? Try natin. Oh, the koi fish, Aki. Oh. Ha? There's the beach na. Ang lakas ng alon. Then yung kita niyo ba? Wait lang. Wait lang. Yan. Yun yung Renan Premier. Mamaya tayo na lang natin yung harap. Ha? Oo, check natin. Ito yung Alona. Bakit?
Picture natin yung panglago. Sa Castle. It's okay na.
It's okay. Di ba na-try mo na yan dati?
Oh.
Yung sand. Sa Bora. Grabe, paano ako makapag-swimming? Sa beach.
Tayo sa pool.
Kano kaya doon?
Yeah. Are you going to swim?
No.
Ha?
No.
No? Sa pool? Sa kiddie pool you don't like?
Kano kaya doon?
No, we're not gonna swim there.
Ayahay.
Bye-bye.
Where we gonna go from? If you lang ba? Ay, wala nang panglago.
Nasira. Siguro inabot dyan.
Para bukas pa. Ano ba ngayon? 4, 5? 5 na, di ba?
5, oo. Ito pala yung 7-Eleven. Ano nangyari? Anong resort to?
Island, ma'am. Bukas. So, call me.
Ayun sila. Ayaw maglakad ni Aki. Sa sand na naman. Mga ano kasi, mga bato dito. Hi, baby! Why?
swim. Wants to swim na. You want to swim na?
O sige, later check natin.
Let's go.
Sige, balik na kami. So, balik na daw tayo. At ayaw maglakad ni Aki sa sand. Hi. Beware of sea urchins. Madami na yung tao sa labas. Grabe ang lakas ng ano. Puntahan natin yung ano. Ito. Yung Tenant Premier. Mas mura pala dinner dito. Dinner buffet. Kesa doon. Maganda rin yung mas maganda yung ano, view nila. Yung breakfast nila. Sila sa La Costa. In fairness. Sabi pala nung ano, nung sa front desk, sa loob ng Alona, meron din daw daan papunta dito sa Premier. Ayan, nakasarado. Paano natin sila makikita? Paano natin makikita yung harap? Dito na siya sa dulo. Kaya lang dito yung sand dito, maano na. Hindi na siya pino pagdating dito. Marami ng pebbles, shells. Eh no, kita niyo ba? Yeah. Iba na yung sand pagdating dito. Yan, ganyan na siya. Kahit naka-sleeper ka, iba yung pakiramdam. Pero hindi na ba masakit ha? Ay, hindi talaga siya nakita. Ayan, kasi nakaharang. Hindi natin siya makikita. Sayang, sayang. Tingnan natin yan. Yung ano, they use. May tao at taas. Yung sa Alona, pwede kang mag-day pool sa kanila, 1,500. May kasama na siyang buffet. Sayang di natin makikita yung pool. Sarado. So yun, balik na tayo. Iniwan na nila ako kasi ayaw maglakad ni Aki sa sand. Balik na tayo sa room. At nang makapag-swimming na. Morning po. For sure, naabangan ni Paolo to. Yan. Try natin yan mamaya. Yung pala sila. Nag-video call pala sila.
Look at the view.
It's 11:13 a.m. in the morning. Hi, Aki! Whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you doing? Oh! What are you doing, bro? Bro, what are you doing? What are you doing, bro? Ayun na si Balba, pabalik na. Kumuha na naman ng beer.
We're gonna swim! Let's swim!
Pangilan mo na yan? Pangatlo? Isa pa lang.
Dahan-dahan lang.
Kaya nakapadun. Isa pa lang.
Sige.
Yeah, sige, mag-swim ka. Binibidyoan ko siya. Say hi, Balba.
Careful, Aki. Kaya, wag ka na.
Slowly. Slowly. Maaraw na. Buti naman, maaraw na. Aki, how's the water? Is it cold?
No.
No. Warm ng water, no? No? Kahit ano, kahit bumagyo kagabi, kahapon. Pero yung water niya, hindi malamig. Kaya masarap mag-swimming. Yung iba, andun sila sa beachfront. Kaya lang sobrang init dun. Pero mamaya, pupunta kami dun. Mamaya, dyan yung daan. Pa-villa. Nice, no? Look nyo naman yung villa. Slowly, baby. Pababa ka na ng pababa.
Swim.
Sige, baby.
Sige bang. Let's swim.
Sige, binibidyoan nga kita eh. Ayaw mo ba?
Baba. Baba.
Papa niya kasi.
Ay, ba?
Ayun, nagsosolo.
Yes?
Let's swim. Stop.
Naaya niya kasi.
Down.
난 너무 좋아. 나도 손 하나.
Yan, Aki, say hi to your vlog.
Hi.
Say hi to your vlog. Hi, vlog. Good morning, vlog. Aki, ay, hindi ka naman natin sa vlog. Say hi, vlog.
Hi, Rag.
Talk to them, baby.
이거 나 알고리즘에 이거.
It's a little bit cold.
It's a little bit cold na.
Yeah.
Oli ka na.
Not that cold.
Sabi mo cold na. Sabi mo a little bit cold na eh. Halika na, let's go na. Mainit nga eh.
Time to go na. Later, balikin ni Evie.
Ayan. Say hi, vlog.
Hi.
Ayan, so Balba, init na init, kala mo. Ayan. Oh, may papakita daw siyang tricks niya. Ayan yung tricks niya. Anak. Anak ko, pamalikot. Ay, Diyos ko po. Sige. Pakita ko. Baby, pakita mo na yung tricks mo. Yung tricks mo, saan yung tricks mo? Nasa yung tricks mo? Teka. Teka. I-ano na natin yung sa camera yung sa likod. Kasi sobrang lapit. Para makita nila yung view. Kasi asan na ba yung tripod? Bakit iniwan mo, Aki? Ay! Sus! Yan na. Yan. Wow. Saan yung tricks mo? Ayun si Balba. Pa-shot na lang. Look. That's his trick daw. Wait. Baliktad ko yung phone. Bye muna, bye. Bye. Balik tayo.
Okay.
Ay,
Hi.
Hi.
Is that the view?
Huh?
Are you showing them the view?
No, we're showing them us.
Hi. Look.
What?
That.
Which one?
Flower.
Teka. Let's check kung ano mas maganda. Yung pag ganito o yung sa kabila. Wait lang. Stand up. Check ni Mama.
Are you showing them you? Is it? Are you showing them you?
No, I'm showing you. Teka, baby. Teka lang.
Yes, let's show them us.
Yeah, sige, wait lang, Aki. Halika na. Wait. Ayan.
So warm.
So warm. So warm, tapos kumanyan ka.
I'm just doing my tricks like this.
No. Are you cold?
No, I'm not.
Huh?
No, I'm not.
You sure? Ayan. Mawa ka sa kas. Pahirapan to. Wait. Ay ko. Ayan. Aki. Ay, baby. Ayan. Gusto niya magganyan siya. Ayan na. Ayan. Ayan ang kanyang tricks. Ayan ang kanyang tricks. Sige na, lumawi ka na. Ha? Bakit? Oo. Baby, mayos ka. Mayos ka. Okay, stop na muna kami. Mag-swimming. Slowly, baby. Balik na muna kami. Si Paolo na iwan. Ubusin lang niya yung beer niya. Ay, ayun na pala siya. Yeah, come on, Aki. Not there. Come on. Oh, come on. Saan ba? Nag-enjoy ka? Okay, let's go na. Aki. Nag-enjoy ka? Balik na kami sa room. Saya dyan, oh. May pool access ka. Ganyan lang. Shot. Tapos talon sa pool. Diba? Yan, so balik muna kami sa room. Dito lang din. Yan, pagka, dyan, kanan. Kanan din, yung room na namin. Kaya, ayun, mas pinili talaga namin dito. Kesa doon. Oh, Aki. Say bye to dear vlog. Bye. Aki. Bye. Go, sige. Can you move? Ay, dito na lang ako, kuya. Yeah, wait lang. Yeah. Hi, Aki.
Hi.
Kaya,
Sa labas kayo, no?
yes, kuya.
Hi, guys. And I already opened it.
Okay.
Yo! Jimmy!
Jimmy.
Yes, Jimmy doesn't see the card. I didn't see the card.
Okay.
I saw it from there, bro.
Okay, tell them you're going to eat na.
I'm going to eat now. Bye.
Bye na agad. Show them the
I'm just
the
kidding.
maze race. The one you did earlier.
Look what I did. The maze. Look what I did.
Oh wait, you have another maze. No, not that one. This one.
Look, guys. Yeah, I have I did it. I did the maze. I did the
I
maze.
cannot see it. I'll help you. Oh.
I did the maze.
Nah.
Did the maze.
Okay. Tell them you're going to eat first.
I'm going to eat now. Bye.
Say bye.
Bye.
Want that?
Yeah.
Okay. Give me. What else? Saan pa? Aki, saan pa? That one. Okay. What else? Cotton candy? Huh?
Yeah.
Okay, sige, go. Let's go. Ay, lagay ko na lang ate sa bag. Ay, ate, isa pang rice. Magkano rice? 24. Ha, baby?
Sunny.
So sunny? Sige. Mag-swimming na tayo?
Okay.
Teka, dito lang tayo ah. Tingnan mo yung view. Pakita lang natin yung view.
Wow. Hi.
Hi! Careful! Let's swim na? Okay.
It's fine.
It's warm? Okay. Here, kita ba tayo? Tiksak mo. Nakita tayo. Tungal.
Hi.
Thank you.
Good.
Tama?
Guys, started swimming.
We started swimming.
Just kidding.
Just kidding. Yan. Para kitang-kita tayo. Ayun. Again.
Not that boy, huh?
Okay. We go. 1, 2, 3, jump.
Ah,
Sige.
that's full. That's full.
No.
Dito mo.
Oh, yan. Natatakpan mo yung camera. Hindi to ka. Ayan, ganyan. Oh, sige. Oh, yan. Go. Sige.
No.
Bilis.
No.
Bilis na, Aki. Ayan na. Oh, ang lapit-lapit ko sa'yo, anak. Oh.
Again. Promise me. Promise me you don't go far. Okay, I'm down.
Sanda ko naubahan na naman dito. Sabi ko sa'yo. Itawang ka agad eh. That's just a joke. It's okay. How will you learn how to? Sige. Dapat ganon. Dapat nga inagit ka. Float na ulit. Ano? Float na ulit.
You got this Baby,
What?
are you going to do it like a bat again?
Of course. Every time you swim, you take a bath.
Good.
It's cold na, come here. Come on. It's cold. Come on. Come on. Aki. Where are you going? Don't know? Huh? Sea breeze. Mag-dinner na tayo? Ha? Aki?
Yeah.
During night time, ayan. Sea breeze. Lang. Okay, mag-dinner muna kami. Sea breeze. So here. Pwede dito kumain. Or if you choose there. Pero prefer namin sa loob. Ayan. watching? What are you watching?
DJ.
They're going to eat. What's your food?
Noodles.
Noodles? And what's that?
Chips.
Chips? Chips. Egg noodles. Like it? Super yummy ba?
I want to take that one.
Okay, sige. Here right now. And all I can is your life. Deep fried. Baby, please. 8 o'clock. Check po kami. Dessert station. Ube cheese. Teka, hindi natin. Ube cheese. Favorite ni Aki dito, etong tropical fruit cake. Nagustuhan niya. Sa station. Chicken. Seafood. You want? What do you want? Tell me. Mashed potato? Yeah? You want? Okay.
I want noodles.
Ay, Aki wants noodles daw and fish balls.
Yeah.
You want soup?
You want soup, ah?
You want noodles? The noodles?
The
Which one?
fish ball
Noodles with fish ball.
the fish ball is
Okay, I'll get you. Wait. And then the fruit. Beans. Yan. Nag-avail kami niyan ng 250. May band din sila dito and mag-start na uli sila. That's the fish ball.
oh
Hero.
it out
Ouch!
boy
Yeah, there.
it boys
That's fish ball.
That's
Read
fish
this.
boys.
Read this.
Fish ball.
Fish balls.
What's that smell?
Chicken broth. You like it a lot?
No,
No, ba't nag-umorder ka uli?
because I'm hungry.
You're hungry again. Let's taste it. The green one, it's fruit cake. Yum. Wait, picture kita.
Yes!
One more time.
Duck.
Paano yung wave? Wave, yun lang?
One more.
Ganun na yung wave mo?
Last one, baby.
Ganun na yung wave ng baby ko?
Okay, last one.
Wave!
Mm.
Yeah! Ayun na, lumalabas
Ano
na.
fingers mo, Aki, oh? Kita sa camera.
Nag-walk na siya.
If you go near him, you go to his shell.
What?
He'll hide.
In the tail?
Lapit ka, Aki. Video mo siya.